Welcome everyone back to Mr. Dar weather updates. Now today's video, looking at the radar, we can see here again another misty and murky day. Well, could see some clear spells. I did yesterday when I went out. There was a few clear spells actually, so we could see a few isolated areas there, but mostly cloudy. At least according to the radar. Does say still expect dry conditions for the next 6 hours. We're still getting a few showers up in Scotland, but not as much as we've seen recently though. Temperatures again a little bit above average in some areas, even though it's saying blue, some that has a little bit of shaded colours there. Now we have a few weather warnings to have a look at. Firstly, we have a yellow rain warning, which is going to be in for all Scotland really. Heavy rain will bring a significant disruption in the build up to New Year. So there's a slight chance of power cuts and loss of services. Loss of power to services to some businesses and homes and businesses. A small chance that some homes and businesses may be flooded, causing damage to buildings, and where the flooding will occur, slight chance of delays and cancellations. Spring and flooding will lead to difficult driving conditions and some road closures. Small chance of some communities may be cut off by some flooding roads, and then a chance of fast flowing, or deep floodwater causing danger to life. The rain is likely to become persistent and occasionally heavy on Monday and possibly even into New Year's Eve. So this may bring some significant disruption, into New Year. So you can see here, some areas that are affected will be 50 to 70 millimeters of rain. That is over the next 2 days, and then with some places seeing double with 100 to 140 millimeters of rain in these higher areas really. So that's going to be in Western Scotland. Even snow could be possible in these areas as the cold air moves in. That is accompanied with some strong winds as well. But this warning has a very low likelihood but a medium impact. We also have a little bit. We also on for Monday have a yellow wind warning. It's a very small area really. Again, strong winds may lead to some disruption, so could be a named storm here. Probably some bus and trains affected, delays to road and rail transport, short-term loss of power, and delays to high-sided vehicles. We could see gusts up to 50 to 60 mile/hour winds, and this warning has a medium likelihood and a low impact. So that rain warning is going to be lasting from Monday until Tuesday, maybe even into Wednesday. We'll have to see what happens there. So, having a look at the radar, we can see here, again, we could see a few clear spells, but they're mostly cloudy, with a couple of drizzle spells possible. Tomorrow, we can see here a little bit more rain here into Scotland there, as the rain warning. Where is the rain warning? That's on Monday, so we'll be able to see it there. You can see here, we can already see some snow mixing into that area in Scotland. It is getting kind of disruptive just there. This could move further south as some areas say. And then on to New Year's Day, it does look a lot really unsettled actually. This is New Year's Eve, plenty of hill snow in Scotland, even could be lower levels actually. And now there's another front pushing in to the south here. We could see significant snow and rain here in this area. So like North England, this is moving. This time it's coming from the south, it's moving north. That's a little bit unusual really. We could see further snow showers. We could definitely see quite an unsettled picture into Wednesday. This could even be a named storm. Temperatures, some areas have higher than others. A little bit unusual that there's 10 degrees in the north, but you see 10 degrees in the north, but cooler further south this time, surprisingly. As what I think it's the wind direction really that is obviously bringing these temperatures. Otherwise, 11 degrees in the south tomorrow, slightly mild, but not out of the ordinary as mild, but still quite mild for the time of year. A little bit milder on Monday actually, so 10 to 9 degrees over here, and then on to New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, it will be quite a little bit of a changeable day. We'll be seeing temperatures going from 11 to minus digits quite fast. We'll be seeing a lot of weather, let's be honest. 10 degrees, again, just back into obviously double digits, but you can see here there's a sign of the colder air trying to creep in. And you can see how it's making approach, -4, -5. We still have some mild air to the south. We've got like a little bit of an inversion. We've got mild, so we've got quite a few types of temperatures. We've got during the day in the north, we could see minus single digits. We could see -5. We could see -6 in Scotland there. And then in the south, we can see 11 to 12, so it's going to be both mild and cold. So it'll be mild in the south, 11 to 12 degrees, and then very cold in the north. So quite unusual seeing that. But it looks like the mild air is completely going as we get into further of the new year. Now the wind gusts, you can see here, the wind gusts are going to be quite strong actually in some areas. 60 miles per hour winds are possible, even 70 is possible as that moves in. It could be quite unsettled. And another band of quite windy weather. Look, 70 miles per hour. This could be a named storm if I'm being honest. I won't be surprised if we see more not red, yellow weather warnings. And a named storm even as well. Now, looking at some snow depth, we can see here. Where's the snow depth? There it is. We will be seeing a significant snow cover. Not much going on now. I'm just going to see if we can skip over here. Getting a lot. Before we get to the main event, we can see you're getting a lot of snow in the north of Scotland. I'm not saying it's unusual, but we are seeing 64. We can see 80 mile per hour, 90 centimeters. That is a lot. 100 centimeters. So there could be quite a few weather warnings there. Otherwise, as the snow moves into the new year, we can see here, we could see 30 centimeters on the hills, maybe 40 in some areas, 50 possible as well. So we are seeing lots of destructive weather. So looks quite a lot, plenty of things going on actually into next year and into New Year's. You can see that it's this deep low pressure